Hey everyone, today I want to share with you a recipe for butternut squash soup with a little twist. Instead of a sweet, baby food-like soup, this one's actually pretty savory, with red peppers, onions, garlic, and some warm spices. And best of all, most of the cooking is in the oven, hands off. So come along, let's make this butternut squash and roasted red pepper soup. We're going to start by peeling and cubing one butternut squash. This is about a 2-pound squash. You can also buy pre-chopped butternut squash. You're looking for about 1 1/4 pounds, 1 1/2 pounds. To chop the butternut squash, cut off both ends. Then cut it in half just above the ball section. Now cut it into 1-inch planks, leave the planks together and rotate. Then we cut again into 1-inch pieces, making uniform sized squash pieces. Transfer the squash to a baking sheet and spread out evenly. Next, cut a couple red peppers in half and remove the stem and seeds. I like to do this over a bowl for composting. Cut each pepper in half again to make quarters. Now roughly chop an onion. Use yellow, red, white, or even shallots. And don't fuss with your cuts. Rough chop is fine. Smash a couple garlic cloves. Peel off the paper, then everything goes onto the baking sheet. Drizzle with some olive oil and sprinkle with ground cumin and paprika. Now add some fresh thyme. Just tear off the leaves and it's okay if some of the stems make it in. Sprinkle with salt and give everything a stir. This goes into a 425-degree oven until the vegetables are tender and slightly charred. It'll take about 25-35 minutes, something like that. Now we clean.
Yeah, hi. You do know that cooking's supposed to be fun and low stress, right? Yeah, good. If you want recipes that are, like that, follow along.
Halfway through cooking, it'll look like this. Be sure to give it a little stir and shake it up. Then it goes back in the oven until the veggies are slightly charred and very tender. Add everything to a blender along with some veg broth to keep this vegetarian or even vegan, and give it a blend. Add more broth to adjust the consistency. All you're looking to do now is just warm up this soup, bring it to a boil as hot as you'd like it. Serve the soup hot. Garnish with pepitas, some plant-based yogurt, regular yogurt, or even sour cream, and sprinkle with some paprika. Let's give it a try. This is so good. It's totally not your ordinary butternut squash soup. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe come together. You can grab the full recipe at the link in the description. And remember, making food for the people you love is one of the best ways to show them that you care. Until next time, happy cooking.